Hi everyone. In this video I'm just going to show you quickly how you can use ChatGPT, the 4.0 model that recently came out in April of 2025 to create YouTube thumbnails. So I'm just going to say create a meta YouTube thumbnail on that will make people click on it. It's for a thumbnail tutorial. So just by giving a prompt like this, you can start creating images that you can use as YouTube thumbnails. And these prompts can be very detailed. You can even copy and paste a YouTube thumbnail that you like, and you can recreate that just by copying and pasting and creating all kinds of images. And I'm going to show you an example of me giving a reference image next, but let's wait for this one to complete. And for now, let me just search for a Mr. Beast thumbnail. Okay, so as this is completing, it does take a minute or so for the thumbnail to complete, but what I can say now is I gave it a image from Mr. Beast channel, as you can see, with all kinds of 4 different kinds of thumbnails, and I'm going to say now give me a thumbnail for how to make thumbnail with AI theme using Mr. Beast as Beast's style as a guide, right? And I paste the Mr. Beast picture, and let's see what we get. But for the first one, we got this tutorial. I mean, this image, right? And just you can see, it is just like many of the YouTube thumbnails. A guy has his mouth open with a shocked face. The background is pretty interesting. The text is pretty nice, and there's this arrow that everyone seems to be using nowadays, and there's the YouTube button, right? So it just looks like a really well-made thumbnail by someone who just who you paid like $50 or something for one thumbnail, maybe more. But now you can do this with ChatGPT 4.0. Okay, now you'll see that you'll get messages like this. This is gonna violate our content policies because I can't copy Mr. Beast, but it will give you an option, right? How about something like this, right? And I'm gonna say, yeah, do it, and it's gonna proceed only after that. But as you can see, this model, this ChatGPT 4.0, is especially really good because now we can write, include words in images that are, not like before. Before you used to see words, but they used to be gibberish. The spelling used to be messed up all the time, right? But now you can see that the spelling is correct, and everything just seems to be working. Just exactly. It's just so good. I might actually use this one as my thumbnail. I don't know. Let's see. Or what I can also do is say copy this and say this, but say AI makes, let's say AI has made super easy something. Right? So give me this, but also mention something about AI, right? Because if I just say thumbnail tutorial, people will just think this is a normal thumbnail tutorial, but this is AI driven thumbnail tutorial. So I'm gonna say that to ChatGPT and let's see what thumbnail it gives me. But the other thumbnail it gave me was this in Mr. Beast style, and I think this one is also nice. You know, AI thumbnail, you know, all kinds of reactions. The text looks correct. There's some question mark and exclamation points. There's AI, you know, so stuff happening. So I like this one too. Let's see. Okay, I think I like this one so far. This one is pretty decent. And let's wait for the last one. But I already have my thumbnail for this video created before this video. Anyways, guys, it's giving me some issues, saying, you know, but okay, let's give one last try, right? Let's see. Still, ChatGPT still thinks I'm violating some content policies, and it's giving me some alternative to accept, and I said yes, and it's giving me one final image before we you know, end the video. But let's see what we get on this final try. Fingers crossed. Okay. Okay, one final time. I mean, this is just messing up. But you know, I'm not gonna be editing the video content as much as possible. So this is, you know, and you can also see the timestamp. You know, this is just like a free flowing video, and you can see some of the struggle with the thumbnail. But you know, I'm still only spending like 15-20 minutes on this max, and you know, I'm getting already like 3 or 4 different ideas for my thumbnail, right? But it's not gonna be like one shot you get the best thumbnail, Okay, one final try. Hopefully this one does it. It's been giving me trouble because I've mentioned Mr. Beast, and ChatGPT seems to be really careful nowadays, you know, in mimicking someone, right? Saying copyright, content policies, But let's see what we get this time around, and I promise we'll get something before we end it. Okay. It's still giving me issues. One final try. I'm really sorry, but I really want to make this work. But I also want to show you the struggle of this. YouTube thumbnail that is about using AI to okay. Hopefully this one will work. Looks like it is. Come on, ChatGPT. I know you can do it. Okay. It's actually suggesting me a prompt because, you know, it's all messed up, trying not to violate anyone's likeness or something like that. So it's actually proposing something, and I'm saying yes, just for the sake of the video. You know, I'll probably start a new session otherwise. But just for the sake of the video, I want to show you what we get if we follow ChatGPT's suggestion. Yes, we're finally getting this output. But anyways, you know, I'm satisfied with some of the other thumbnails, but still wait maybe like a minute more for this final image. But yeah, this is the process of thumbnail creation with ChatGPT 4.0 new model. Okay, actually I really like the final output. You know, AI made this. It has the arrow, has the guy with open mouth, has the YouTube logo, and has the AI you know, in the context. So I'm satisfied with this, and hopefully you get an idea of how to use AI to make YouTube thumbnails. Please like and subscribe and post some comments about anything, any questions, anything you would like to see next we do in this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.